A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Of Ukraine, look at you. Ukraine is even more powerful than Nigeria. The whole of Africa, Ukraine. I'm not talking about Russia this time. The whole of Ukraine is more powerful than the whole Africa. I'm going to put South Africa aside. South Africa can produce gun. South Africa produce gun. Do you know they produce gun in South Africa? Yes, they do. South Africa. Oh, I don't want to go into South Africa. Make it not be like say with the South Africa's military are more powerful than any other military, and they have ammunition in South Africa. But today we are not talking about South Africa. We are talking about Nigerian government warning Russian government, like, we are warning you, don't keep people from Ukraine or we come and fight you. It's like a cat warning a lion. I don't think Putin will even respond. Putin will never respond. Putin will ever respond. If he's, oh no, he cannot bring himself down to respond to Nigerian government. Say we are warning Russia. Okay, let me give you a latest. I'm going to give you a latest. Yesterday, the Russian Putin warned Israel against Golan Heights. Oh, you don't know what is Golan Heights? Go to your phone and Google Golan Heights. Golan Heights is between Syria and Israel, where Israel are claiming to be the owner of Golan Heights, while Syria is claiming to be the owner of Golan Heights. So Israel is in charge of Golan Heights. I've been to Golan Heights before. So now, yesterday, the Russian told Israel, if you're here to warn us against Ukraine, we are warning you against Golan Heights. So these are the world powerful people who can face each other and talk. Not Nigeria, not even Africa. You can't produce a car. We're not talking even about tires. I said you can't even produce a tire. Talking about producing a car, talking about producing ammunition and the world power. You are talking to the world power, Russia. Who are you, Muhammad Buhari? Are you guys not ashamed of yourself? A cat warning a lion and say, hey, be careful. The lion will just look back and move on. Don't you dare tell me that I don't love Africa. I love motherland. But motherland is not doing enough. The Russian you are warning, 45% of the fuel PMS there in Europe, now Russia and they supply them. Okay. Let me explain to you if you don't understand me. I say Russia supplied 40% to 50% of the PMS fuel that you produce in Africa. Right there in Europe, the whole of Europe, Russia, now Russia, they sell oil, give them. Look at you, Muhammad Buhari. The invasion of Biafra land. You are invading. Okay. You tell me that invasion is different from, because when you look at the English of invasion, it's somebody who's come from outsider, an outsider who come to invade your property. Look, I was once a Biafra. The military of Nigeria coming into Biafra land is an invasion. Going to my village and killing people is an invasion. You brought the bandit from from Sokoto. Who knows where they come from? All those Fulani bandits. That's an invasion. You brought the army and the DSS. It's an invasion. You kidnapped Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. It's an invasion. And that's my own version of the English. Who are you to warn Russia while you're killing my people? People that have died in Biafra land. I say, listen to me. If you are not a Nigerian and you're watching me now, let me tell you the truth. The people that have died in my country for the past 10 years can never be compared. No, the 10 years, let me just reduce it. The people that have died for the last 24 hours there in Nigeria and the Southeast in general can never be compared to what happened in Ukraine. In Ukraine, let me tell you what happened. They were just bombing the militaries or the government properties. Do you understand me? They were not just shooting and killing every civilian in Ukraine. They know what they are doing. Forget about the propaganda. All those things you see on social media is a fucking big propaganda. Ukraine is also powerful. They responded, and people died also in Russia. Did you understand that? Don't come here to tell me about we are warning Russia. You and Nigerian government warning Russia. You cannot even kill Boko Haram for the past 15 years. The bandit for the past 7 to 8 years. Muhammadu Buhari came to the power for the almost 8 years. You cannot look at, oh man. These people are they are irritating. They are just irritating. A country that cannot produce electricity 24 hours to their citizens. A country where the governors and the elites go to America for medical treatment. And you're telling me right on my face that, hey, we are warning Russia. Come on, man. Do you know who Russia is? You don't know who Russia is. Okay, let me tell you who Russia is. For those of you who is watching me for the first time, I'm going to tell you who Russians are today. During the World War, Russia was powerful. The USSR, 1945, when Hitler saw that the world is coming closer, it was USSR, it was the Russians that came very close to where the bunker where Hitler was. Hitler with his wife, Eva. No. Let me calm down so that I can explain to you well. Hitler did not marry Eva until the last day on earth that he disappeared. That was when Hitler married Eva inside the bunker. He told Eva, I love you and I want to die with you. Do you love me? Eva says, yes, I love you and I want to die with you. He brought a sinus. Do you know what sinus is? Go and Google what is sinus. Hitler gave sinus to his wife, Eva. Eva took it and died just right there. Hitler took a gun, according to the history, and put the gun on in his mouth and shoot himself to death. They took his corpse outside and burned it. Now, who invaded that bunker? USSR, the Russians. The remain of Hitler is with Russians. American could not do it. The Britain could not do it. It was Russia who went. They went into the bunker where Hitler was. It was only Russia that can do it. Make una forget all this propaganda. Russia is powerful. Russia is ready to fight. Who built the monster? Putin. I'm sorry to call him a monster. He's not a monster, but I'm trying to tell you, you are building a monster. They built the monster because when USSR were together, they were doing better. But jealous envy of the imperialists, they make sure they divide this country into different places. They divide them into many parts. They begin to reduce their power, like, no, you cannot have all this. You can't have this, you can't have this, you can't be the world power. Listen to me. Russia is fighting for world power, just as United States is fighting for world power. The British are fighting for world power. Russia is fighting for world power. North Korea is fighting for world power. Who built the monsters? Who built the monsters? Like Africa. Russia is not like Africa. African people, when the British say, hey, shut up there. If you do nonsense, we are going to sanction you. They shut up. When you are sick, come to our place come to our place for medical treatment. You say, yes, sir. Oh, my children are sick. We want to go to school. Bring your children to British. Bring your children to America to school. The Russians do not go to America for better school. The Ukrainians we are talking about, Ukraine, they are Nigerian students in Ukraine. This Ukraine you are talking about are in Russia. Oh, come on, guys. Listen, Africa, we are just dead drunk. Africa, we are dead drunk. Oh, you don't defend these people. This is just, you see, Africa, we need to wake up. These people are Europe. They are Europeans. They are ready to fight with each other. For the past 10 years, I said before, for the past 10 years in Nigeria, for the past 15 years in Nigeria, for the past almost 20 years now, the kidnapping and the killing of the, oh my, the killing, Boko Haram. Have you ever heard of Boko Haram? They are still there, killing every day. The news is not on CNN. No. The CNN and the Fox will never tell you that thousands are dying in Biafra land in Nigeria. I'm going to repeat myself. The CNN and the Fox News will never show you that thousands are dying in the southeast in Nigeria. They will never show you that the cow bandits are killing us right there in Nigeria. Do you know that? Do you know that? I bark like a cow. I'm angry. I'm not happy. Anytime I come to this social media, I start to talk about Africa. I die inside. I die inside before I start talking. A country that cannot even evacuate their students in Russia. America has evacuated their own people. Not even the embassy of Nigeria can invite their students to come and hide at the embassy. What a shame. Hello, Nigeria. Hello. Hello, Buhari. You want oh my. You can't evacuate your own students in Russia, but you want in Ukraine, but you are warning Russia. Oh, do you know what the Nigerian government said? They said it is not safe now. It is not safe now to evacuate the students. Oh, they are safe. Oh, we spoke with some of the students. One student is speaking for all the students in Ukraine. Just one student speaking for all the students in Ukraine. What kind of government is this? You don't have your citizens at heart. America will come for only one person. It will take America to come with 10 helicopter and plane to come and pick one American in Ukraine. They definitely do it. No matter how the war is going, they know how to do about it. Africa, you'd have nothing to offer the world. I'm going to stand this morning and tell you, look at my face. Are you from South Africa, Uganda, wherever you come from? Africa as a whole have nothing. You have nothing to offer the world. That is why the world is not respecting you. That is why they are not respecting you. Somebody will come and demarcate your doors for you and say, this is where you belong, Uganda. Don't go to Mozambique is there. Don't come here. This is Mozambique. And you, Uganda, you want to go and see your brother in your motherland. They will tell you, bring a visa. Bring a visa. If you don't have a visa, don't come here. No, don't come here. Don't come to my land. This is me. This is me. Meanwhile, your imperialists are flying with just their passports with no visa. They cross the border. They say, who are you? Hey, I'm Mr. Smith. Oh, Mr. Smith, can I see your identity? You look at his identity. Okay, you are from Germany. Okay, you want a job? They give you a job. Do you understand what I'm saying? I said, you are imperialists all over there. They don't demarcate their doors. You just go to the airport and book a plane. you fly immediately. Nobody asks you, where's your hotel? Nobody's asking you, how much do you have there? Nobody asks you, who are you visiting? Nobody asks you. But me, if I want to go to Kenya, they'll ask me, why are you here in Kenya? You have somebody in Kenya? Where are you going to sleep? Where's your hotel? In my motherland? Africa, you have nothing to offer the world. You can't build a bridge. If foreigners cannot build road for you, you can't build roads. You can't produce cars. After 1960s, after you got independent, you can't even do nothing. You have nothing to offer the world. Keep shut. Keep quiet. Africa have nothing to offer, and I don't think you have nothing. I don't think you have anything to offer the world yet. Africa have nothing to offer the world. Your best doctors are in Britain. Your best nurses are in Britain. Your best engineers are in America. Your best doctors are all traveling abroad. Do you know why? You can't even buy the equipment to come and equip your own country. When the elite are sick, they are going to America. When they go to America, they say, oh, I'm here to do a medical checkup. When the doctor comes out, it is your black brother that is taking care of you in America. Your black sister nurse is taking care of you in Britain. When you are sick as an elite and you want to go to America or Britain, when you go to that door and say you are going to see a doctor, the best doctor they are going to point to you is a black man from Kenya. It's a black man from America. It's a black man from Nigeria. It's a black man from Zimbabwe. It's a black man from Kenya. It's a black man from Mozambique. The best nurses, the best doctors abroad. I stand here to tell you, one of the best nurses and doctors are from Africa, all over there. We are all happy migrating to Europe. Oh, I want to go and work in Europe. I don't blame you. I blame the elite who cannot give you the good environment. Africa, you think you have something to offer the world? You have nothing to offer the world. Do you know why? The senior citizen in Africa is not well taken care of. They die unhappy people. And you are telling me you have something to offer the world? You have nothing to offer the world. I don't think so. You don't have nothing to offer the world because there's nothing for... South Africa is even trying. In the whole of Africa, I said it again, South Africa is taking care of their old citizens. Nigeria cannot even take it. Do you know what Nigerian government, they want to share 5,000. 5,000 is $1. Oh, no. I think it's not $1. 500. I think it's how much is 5,000? How much is 5,000 in dollar? That's what they want to share to some communities. 5,000 cannot even buy a cup of rice that they will eat. 5,000 can, oh my God. Can you just imagine the government is coming to give people, they say they want to give 5,000. The same people that don't even have hospital, they don't even have good roads. Before they could travel to go and collect that 5,000, probably the mosquito and typhoid will even kill them. Oh, my. Africa, look, listen, let me tell you this. I'm going to end this video. We have about 2.1K people watching me right now. I'm going to tell you this. Probably you are watching me for the first time. Let me tell you, the solution in Africa is more than the problem. Listen, I'm going to say it again. The solution in Africa is more than the problem. Do you know why? I'm going to tell you. You see, all these problems about stealing money, going abroad, when you become the president, your children are schooling abroad, is a very simple thing. If they can sit on round table, say, listen, in this country called Nigeria, no president, no elite go to buy house abroad. If you're sick, you are not going abroad for medical checkup. Everything we need should come back here. Trust me, in the next 3 months, they will equip our hospitals. Do you know that? Yes. The problem solved. All the road they are building, they are not building good road. They build road that will last only 6 months. When the rain falls, the road, they give you a contract. What you do is you embezzle the money. You cannot even build quality roads like you see here. Everywhere, it is only where the elite live in Africa you are going to see some things like this. Everywhere you go is tied. It is tied. When you go to the street of Lagos, you see the road just like anyhow it is. When you go to the street of Kenya, the same thing. Dirty everywhere. When you go to the street of Zimbabwe, what is wrong with you guys? The money is meant to spend. Use that money to take care of your citizens. Citizens, take care of us. Let us stop running abroad. Oh, the imperialists won't let this happen. I understand the imperialists